We are boutique camping. Established in 2010, our patented tent and stove designs rank us as one of the UK's leading innovators in creating great glamping gear. This is the Pizza Oven Plus. Inspired by an original sellout patented design, this new, improved and adventure-approved rendition is the gift that keeps on giving. Fueled by real wood and effortlessly reaching heats of 400 degrees Celsius in minutes, this 5-in-1 cooking appliance stands for no fuss, just endless thrills and flamboyant feasts. Don't be fooled by the slick, slender stainless steel exterior. This game-changing cooker may look cute, but hidden in its polished skin is a conjunction of savvy mechanisms guaranteed to give you the desire to start that fire. Feel the temperature rise. Whether you're feeding the troops with unique alfresco spreads or hosting bonfire-style gatherings, with a simple twist, pull or spin, you will be able to retain, control and monitor the temperature with ease and efficiency. Fun, fast, fresh. Get a slice of the action and indulge in the tastes of Italy from any outdoor or in-tent environment. With several pizza-perfected integrations working at once to create Moorish margarita magic, it's time to delete those apps, save some bucks and introduce your taste buds to some real authentic wood-fired pizza. With help of the fitted Cordiorite baking stone, in just 3 to 4 mouth-watering minutes, you'll watch with amazement as your 12-inch creation crisps, bubbles and fuses together as seamlessly as it does cheesily, providing an even consistency with each and every bake. Say goodbye to your collection of one-dimensional, space-stealing, one-time use electronics and utensils. It's time to declutter, clear a space and cook up a feast with the iconic Pizza Oven Plus. However you like your eggs in the morning, this wood-burning stove has your breakfast, lunch and dinner cravings covered, with various integrations that encourage you to cook creatively and without limits. Bake and smoke, grill, fry, boil, simmer, flame roast, warm dishes and even small items of clothing whilst you wait. The possibilities are endless, and the ability to view your delicious dishes as they cook means you will never miss a minute, nor lose heat consistently by opening the doors when checking in. But it doesn't end there. In fact, with a savvy compatible water heater, we like to think this is exactly where it starts. Clipping onto the rear of the stove, twist and pour to decant up to 4.5 litres of boiling water. Larger than life and small enough to fit in your car. With ergonomic easy side lift grills and resilient fold-out legs, the Pizza Oven Plus is as convenient as it is compatible, making it the ultimate camping companion to never be left behind. On the beach, in your garden, and our personal go-to, pitched perfectly in a canvas tent. Providing equipment that will create standout campouts and fulfill glamping goals is our forte. But why should camping be associated with the summer and come to a halt in the colder months? Not for our customers. In minutes, the Pizza Oven Plus can be installed safely and stylishly into a boutique camping fire retardant tent, allowing you to camp and cook simultaneously. The impressive 9.4 kilowatts of heat output will generously supply those nights under the stars with comforting waves of subtle light and nostalgic warmth, meaning your wild winter escapades can commence. Come together, create memories and share worthy moments. We are boutique camping, and this is the Pizza Oven Plus.